So you're using AWeber and need to edit your forms, but you don't want to waste time clicking through endless menus. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to edit forms in AWeber step by step, plus I'll share a much better tool if you want more flexibility and better results. Let's jump in. First, log into your AWeber account and go to the Sign Up Forms section. You'll see all your existing forms here. Click on the one you want to edit. AWeber gives you a basic form editor where you can change text, fields, and styling. But right away, you'll notice the design options are pretty limited. Customization is basic compared to other tools. Next, if you want to add more fields, like phone number or custom questions, click Edit Form and select Create a new field. The problem? You don't have advanced field logic. So if you're looking to create multi-step forms or conditional fields that only appear based on user input, AWeber won't let you do that easily. The third thing is the form design. You can tweak colors, fonts, and button styles, but unless you know CSS, you're stuck with pretty generic designs. AWeber is built more for function than aesthetics, which might not be great if you want high-converting forms that match your branding perfectly. Now, if you want to embed the form on your website, click Publish and choose between JavaScript, raw HTML, or a direct AWeber-hosted link. The issue? The JavaScript embed can be slow to load, and the raw HTML requires manual styling. Other tools offer faster loading forms with better mobile responsiveness right out of the box. Lastly, automation. AWeber lets you trigger emails when someone submits a form, but automation is limited compared to tools like ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit, where you get way more control over sequences and segmentation. If you're running a serious email marketing campaign, this might be a deal breaker. So, should you stick with AWeber? It's fine if you just need a simple opt-in form. But if you want more customization, better automation, and higher conversions, there are way better options. I've linked an exclusive extended free trial for a much better alternative below. Plus, I've added some other amazing options that offer free trials too. These tools give you way more flexibility for your forms, and our link gets you the best deal with exclusive perks only available to our viewers. Check it out before you set up another basic AWeber form.